Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling the word hyperbole. It might look like hyperbole, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is hyperbole. First, hi sounds like high. Next, per is stressed and sounds like per in perfect. Then, ba is a soft sound, like the ba in banana. Finally, li sounds like li in quickly. Let's put it all together slowly. Hyperbole. Try repeating after me. Hyperbole. Now, a little faster. Hyperbole. And at full speed. Hyperbole. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will roll off your tongue naturally. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that involves extreme exaggeration to make a point. For example, saying, "I'm so hungry I could eat a horse," is hyperbole. You wouldn't actually eat a horse, but it emphasizes how hungry you are. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce hyperbole and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.